A metallic sphere, metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter are melted and formed into a single solid sphere. So we are melting three spheres. First radius is 6, second radius is 8 and the third sphere radius is 10. We are melting these three spheres and forming one big sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Let this radius be capital R. Let the radius of the resultant sphere be capital R. Let this be R1, R2 and R3. Okay. So volume of these three spheres should be equal to volume of this big sphere, isn't it? So we know volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so volume of this sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r 1 cube, right? Because we took this as r1. And the next one 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. That should be equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Radius is capital R here. Some students, what they will do is they will find the volume of this sphere. Okay, they will get one number. Volume of this sphere, they'll get one number. Volume of this sphere, they'll get one number, and add it and equate it to this, right? See here, we should not do like that. It will become very lengthy. I'm not saying it is wrong, it is also correct, but it will be time consuming. If we keep the terms like this, see 4 by 3 pi, we can take it out common, right? 4 by 3 pi, if we take common, we'll have r1 cube, r2 cube, r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled from both the sides. Okay, now the calculation part will become easier, right? So this is 6 cube. Radius of the first sphere is 6. Radius of the second sphere is 8 cube. Radius of the third sphere is 10 cube. 10. So it will be 10 cube. So it will be equal to r cube. 6 cube is 216. 6 into 6 into 6. 8 cube. 5 and 12. 8 into 8 into 8. 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. So this will give us r cube, right? So this is equal to how much? 1728 is equal to r cube. Now we need to find the cube root of this 1728. Let us use prime factorization. 1728 2 times, right? It will become 864 and 2 times 432. 2 times 216. 216 cube is 6, right? Cube root is 6. So 108 and 54. 27, 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s, right? So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. 2 is 6 times and 3 is 3 times. Okay, so this cube goes on the other side, it will become cube root, right? Now when we are finding cube roots, when we have three numbers, make a pair of three numbers, right? And write it outside one time. So this is 2, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So radius of the big sphere is equal to how much? It is equal to 12 centimeter. Radius of this sphere is 12 centimeters.